Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix payment not completed in App Store. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to actually tap on settings and then click on your Apple ID. Now for method 1, you would need to sign out, then wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, then sign back in, and this should resolve the issue. However, if it does not work for method 2, what you could do, so from settings, you would need to scroll down to screen time and tap on it. Next, you would need to click on content and privacy restrictions. Now at this point, you would need to enable content and privacy restrictions, then click on iTunes and App Store purchases and allow. Now if this does not work, what you could do, so for method 3, you would need to tap on your Apple ID and click on media and purchases. Then from your media and purchases, you would need to click on view account. Next, you would need to click on purchase history. Now at this point, you want to ensure that you don't have any unpaid subscriptions. If you do, you could remove them or simply pay for them. Now for the final method, if none of the first 3 methods worked, so for method 4, from settings, you will need to click on country or region and then click on change country or region. So after which you'll need to select the country in which you have a suitable payment method, and once you do that, you'll be met with some terms and conditions. It's pretty much 18 pages. You could take the time to browse through or request that it be sent to your email. So once you do that, you need to tap on next to move on, and once you've moved on, you would need to fill out the required information for the region that you've selected, then tap on next, and that would change your country or region. Now if none of the 4 methods that I've suggested work, then it might be a case where you don't have enough money to make the purchases. If that is so, then you would need to add money to your cards to make the purchase. So that's the end of the video on how you would fix payment not complete in App Store. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.